Welcome to Heart Deco Wonders. Today we are showing you how to use our new and improved food dehydrator. Okay, so right over here we have the food dehydrator up close and personal. We have the opening tray over here, and then it has all these removable racks, as you can see. Right here at the back there is a really great fan. This is the back side of the unit, so here you can see all the voltage. It has a 700 watt power, and then all the other details are right here, and then here's the outer base of the fan. Let's plug it in. It comes with a pretty short cable. This is about how long it is, so make sure that it is pretty close to your power outlet and that you can plug it in. It has a 2-point plug. It's similar to that of a hair dryer, so you can just plug that in into any flat 2-point plug if you want to, or use a hair dryer plug. It will work. Okay, so for today's demonstration, we are going to set the time to about 4 hours. And then we're going to put the degrees at 55. It can go up to 85 degrees in Celsius. Okay, and then this is how it will dehydrate. And then we're going to actually show you the rest of the product right now. It is covered with a little plastic foam over here, and it is made out of stainless steel, so you have to remove this foam. So we're just going to unwrap it. It's like a little sticky foam, and you have to unwrap everything just to make sure that it doesn't damage the product. It's made out of a beautiful stainless steel. Please read the warnings over here. Do not touch it while it is in use or while it is warm. And then we're gonna just remove this really quickly. Okay, so now that you've removed somewhat of the foam, we're gonna get to these small parts. I just use this little knife thing over here, but you can use anything. You just kind of clip it like that, and then drag to remove it. Just like that. And then you can do those with the rest of the air vent holes, and then just make sure that the entire foam is completely removed, and then afterwards we're just going to wipe it a bit so that all the marks and things that we just left is just removed. Make sure that it is wet, and then we'll see you on the other side. So right now the foam has been removed, and it's looking pretty gorgeous. We've wiped it down, we've removed everything. I also just wanted to show you these handles on the sides. It's on both sides, so you can easily just pick it up and you can just move it around as you please. So let's get to drying. Okay, so I have a fruit plate over here. We're going to dry it with the settings that we set just a little bit earlier, and then we're gonna show you how it dries. And then I just added some biltong for display. We're not actually drying this, but you can actually dry biltong, and it will look fantastic just like these. Let's get started. So we open up the tray, pull them all out, and then you can just start stacking them. Pop it right back in wherever you like. Okay, so I'm going to take the bottom tray and just start packing some strawberries. And then we'll also just pop that back in. Close up the lid. Then we're going to set the time for 4 hours. We're going to set the temperature to 55 degrees. And then we're just gonna wait 4 hours for it to dry, and then we'll show you afterwards how it looks. Okay, so now that 4 hours have passed, we can open it up. And then here we go! Dried strawberries. Beautifully dried, completely and utterly dried. Tastes so good. Okay guys, so this is our food dehydrator. You can buy it online at www.heartdeco.co.za, and I'll see you next time for more.